Hi everyone, welcome back. Before we dive into today's guide on following brands and celebs on social media, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumb up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Step 1. Who do you want to follow today? A cool brand, a favorite celeb, or an interesting organization? Pick up your target. Step 2. Open your social media app and search for their name. Look for accounts with a verified checkmark so you know they are legit. Step 3. Hit the follow button. Now there are updates and maybe a lot of ads will start popping up in your feed. You are in the loop. Fun fact, some people have more pet followers than human friends on social media. Is this crazy, right? So, step 4. Feel free to like their posts or comment if you want to engage. But keep it cool, no spammy contents. And that's it. You are all set. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know who you followed recently in the comments. Catch you next time when we talk about the next tutorial. See you!